Alright, we're back here from I think it was Sunday. I came over here and scrapped this dishwasher. I just took the electric motor, but I forgot these insulated copper wires here, so I'm gonna take them off. Let's see. Where's this coming from? It's coming from the door. Let me see. There we go. Let's see if I can open it. This is coming from here. Alrighty. Cut this one. There we go. We got some copper cores here. Told you guys I was gonna come back and scrap the rest of this thing because I don't want to leave it unscrapped. Trying to scrap all this damn steel here. It's either steel or aluminum. But we're gonna leave that. I'm not worried about that right now. I'm just worried about copper and maybe some aluminum. Yeah, some aluminum sheet. Yep, because that's selling too. You know, I got a bunch of aluminum wire right now, so you know, when I sell my aluminum, you know, it's gonna add up if I get this aluminum. So yeah.